Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix problem with your Mercedes W203 or 209 when you have issue with when you have problem with with your gear, that your gear not changing so your car just not changing gear. So how you can also just fix it. So mostly it happens when you have problems with this thing. So also you have problems with your gear selector board, so it's inside here, so you just need to change this component. So also you can find in the internet how to just repair it, but mostly I advise you to just change it to another thing and just change it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.